Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome on Rocky Linux. Now I'm going to be doing the installation on the terminal. The first thing we'll do is open the terminal. You can search for it here. We'll go ahead and check the version that we're running. So let's do HC OS release. So I'm running version 10.1. Yeah, the first thing is to download the RPM file. We'll be using an RPM file to do the install. So the command to download the RPM file will be wget https://dlgoogle.com/linux direct /Google Chrome Chrome -stable _current _x86 64.rpm. Okay, so that's complete. We can do ls, and this is the file we just downloaded here. Now to install Google Chrome, so we'll go ahead and use the command sudo dnf install /google Chrome. Then we'll just use tab completion here. Press enter, put in our password. Y for yes. It's installed. That's the version. It's complete. We can also check the version using the command google -chrome version. So that's the version right there. Now you can open Google Chrome from the terminal, or you can also search for it. So from the terminal, you'll just do Google -Chrome. That should open Chrome for you. You can make it your default browser if you want. And there you are. You can also open it by searching for it. Say Google Chrome, and you can go ahead and browse to a website here. VC.com, and there you have it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Google Chrome on Rocky Linux. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.